Hi everyone! Welcome to Team Bangs! So for today, we have another video for all of you because for today, we're gonna do another unboxing! What's an unboxing? What are you gonna unbox?
This one, this
Oh yeah. Okay baby, can we show them what are we gonna unbox for today? This one. So let's show it to them.
Wait.
It's a clapper mask and an
Hindi yan copper mask. At yung copper mask.
wearable air purifier. Ayan. So these are stuffs na binigay sa amin ni Papa Hermy. So let us
Si
unbox.
Papa ko? Si Papa ko?
Yes, your Papa. Let us see what is inside Papa's pasalubong for you. So this is the wearable air purifier. This is bought by Papa Hermy. I don't know where and how much, but then he bought this for Melia. But I think he's the one who needs this the most kasi siya yung laging nasa labas and yung bumabiyahe everyday. So what is inside? May plastic to. Tinanggal ko na kasi muntik siyang mabasa. So kinat ko na. Ayan. Tada! So this is the air purifier. There's a charger. So therefore, there would be... Okay, so this is where you charge it. USB cable ba tawag dito? And then this is the... Oh! The on and off button, and there's the light indicator. There's two lights. I think if it's full charge, it would light up two lights. Ayan. And then the string is adjustable, so it can be used by your kids or yung parents or non-adults. Yes, kasi it's adjustable. Kasi sometimes your neck is small lang naman. And then I see here some parang brush. Ito. Tapos parang may hangin na something na lumalabas in here. I think this is what they call the negative ion. It produces negative ion daw kasi. So, let us find out why. Anak, you wanna wear it? Oh, come here. Mama will put it on you. Come. But, let's let Papa Hermy use it.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. I'll wear it on Melia. My baby. So, we saw this also being used by our president during one of his conferences.
Wow!
And so, you now have an air purifier. It's wearable. So, what is in it? Why do we need to use it? It doesn't need any filter. And it has only one button to operate. And it produces negative ions. So, ano ba ang ginagawa ng mga negative ions? So, the function of the negative ion, it is very common in the nature like forest, waterfall, seaside, or after thunderstorm. So, it releases negative ions not only to catch up the microscopic dust in the air and bacteria to purify air and kill bacteria. So, those negative ions, it kills the bacteria. Okay. So, how does it purify air? Negative ions can capture the indoor and even smaller microscopic particles and changes their physical properties to make the floating dust with different charges attract and adhere to each other and finally fall down to the ground. So, yun pala yung ginagawa nung nire-release niyang negative ion. It captures the bacteria and then, it changes its properties hanggang mag-fall siya sa floor. So, hindi natin nalalanghap yung mga...
Orange!
Yes. Yung mga bacteria or yung mga dust. So, you just have to charge it 6 to 7 hours to fully charge. Pero, if it's fully charged, it works for 35 to 40 hours. So, lagpas, almost 2 days. Okay? Parang siyang may lumalabas to. Cute. But then, disclaimer pala, mga parents and all, or guardians, let us all be careful in putting anything sa neck ni babies. Kasi I experienced this when I was using yung necklace na teeter. We have to be careful and vigilant. Kasi syempre, di ba, like in her age, naglalaro siya, kung saan siya pumupunta, lumulusot, pwedeng sumabit. Or siya mismo, pwede siyang makrumple niya into her neck, tapos masasakal sila. So, kailangan every time we let them wear this, nakabantay din tayo. Ayan, yun lang. So, another one we have here is the copper mask. This copper mask, sabi ni Papa, because viruses, bacteria, ay namamatay daw sa copper. So, bumili siya ng copper mask. Ayan. Let's see. May I borrow your cutter, anak? Where is it? Oh, here. So let us see what is inside the copper mask. How does it look like? And how we're gonna wear it? And how is it different from the regular cloth mask? So, sabi dito, copper mask, it helps kill 99% of germs. And it has strong antimicrobial layer. It helps kill 99% of germs. Superior bacteria exterminator effect. Comfortable respiration. It has complete prevention of saliva droplets. It helps prevent dermatitis and allergies, which I think kaya niya ako binilan is because of yung allergies. Like ako, ngayon nagkaka-pimples ako because of wearing mask and all. And it is harmless to humans. So, sabi dito, it has this one. The antimicrobial layer and the fabric layer. And it includes 1 piece of antimicrobial copper mask film and 10 pieces of reusable non-woven filter. So, hindi siya disposable. Pero kasi, reusable siya in terms of there are given 10 pieces more of filters. Ayan. So, how does it look like? Oh, so that's how it looks like. Wala na. That's it. So, let's see what's inside. Hindi pala tayo tunak.
Huh?
It's for mom.
Sakit to?
Yung mo na, kikita. Can I borrow again? So, this is what they call the copper mask. So, ito pala siya. Ayan. Para siyang acetate paper. Ayan. And then, these are the fillers or filters. Tapos, ipapasok siya sa loob. Ayan. Hindi siya washable. Reusable siya. But you always have to buy the filters. Ayan. Tapos, may mga buta siya sa gilid. Kasi, yung tali, ito, nasa loob pa siya ng plastic. Included siya dun sa package. So, let's figure this out. Ayan. Adjustable din siya sa ear. And then, you just have to ano to? Okay. I get it. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos, dito mo na lang i-adjust yung haba. Ang galing. This is amazing. So, we can use this, lalo na kung pupunta tayo sa crowded area, sa groceries, or sa labas kapag namamalengke, and all. Actually, anywhere. So, I think ito yung baba.
Yan yung baba.
So, maluwag. Sikipan natin. Oh, di ba? Parang yung purifier mo, may adjustable straps. Ay, ang cute. It fits my face now. Kaso lang talagang maliit yung face ko. Yung baba. May space pa siya. Yan. So, this is now the copper mask! And then I have here, ayan. Hindi masakit sa tenga yung tali niya. Siguro pagtagal and all. Ayan. Tapos these are the filters. This is nice. So that's it. Balik natin. So bilang natin uli ng lagayan tong filters. That's our vlog for today. So I hope you enjoyed watching Malia while she's eating marshmallows. So this is the air purifier, wearable air purifier, and this is the copper mask. So we're gonna use this when we go to the grocery or outside to buy our sangkap. Yes. Does it look good on me? Am I ganda? Ooh. So that's it for today.
No.
I hope we shared something nice to you. So copper mask. So it helps kill the viruses and the bacteria and the germs. Wearable air purifier. Ayan. But we let Papa use this, huh? Be careful when we let this wear by our kids. Ayun lang. Thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching. Bye everyone. Keep safe everyone, especially now that the cases are arising too much. And I hope everyone's safe. Stay at home, sabi ni Papa Hermy. Ayan. Bye! God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.